comes to interim and summer classes, since you are on academic probation, there are a few restrictions to keep in mind. First, you cannot take a winter break class. So while you're on academic probation, you won't be able to register for that interim or winter break courses. You can register for a summer course though. Now keep in mind, summer courses are going to count towards your 24 probation credits. The grades you earn are going to weigh on your GPA. So really think about if summer courses work well for you, make sense in your academic plan, and are going to help you get to our end goal of that 2.0. Now, if you were suspended, but you successfully appealed your suspension, which means you get one more semester, a summer session will count as that one extra semester. So really think about, as the spring term ends, what's going to make the most sense for you in terms of taking a summer class or not.